Since the 1980s, the Nike Air Force 1 Low, designed by Bruce Kilgore, has been a staple of fashion. In recent years, the silhouette has borrowed ideas from other swoosh divisions, with skateboarding appearing to be the source of inspiration for its most recent endeavor. Newly leaked, they look like some of Nike SB's orange label dunks and are officially dressed in a white and gum yellow, safety orange and white color scheme. The sneaker's top half is complemented by summer-friendly gum outsoles, while the majority is a simple, tonal design. The colorless finish is broken by the citrus-colored flair that the branding on the tongue's top and the Achilles heel overlay take on. Additionally, profile swooshes give the sneaker a textured look that elevates it above typical alterations of Kilgore's 42-year-old design. Details of the official Nike.com release have not yet been made public by the company, but pairs are anticipated to retail for $120 by October.